Tony from NNNCo. I'm the CTO and COO.
Maybe you could talk about what success means to you or right now, and then also what success for IoT will mean in the future.
Yeah, look, it's a really challenging question. And for me personally, and I think I wrote it down for you, is that I want to solve a problem, right? My aim and my goal is to solve a problem. And that means there's a puzzle. There's something out there which has got to be resolved. And I like to bring things together and solve that puzzle. Now, to me, what that means is bringing together the likes of Sensiterra and other manufacturers to say, what are we trying to fix? What are we trying to solve? We work towards that outcome, and then I get satisfaction from that approach. What, of course, that does, however, is it builds knowledge. It builds knowledge and it builds expertise. That knowledge and expertise starts to feed back into the industry by means of experience and exposure to new markets and new customers and new use case applications, where we can now start to bring that expertise to the greater, bigger picture. So the way to success to me in an IoT industry is, of course, we all have to make money. We can't stay in business unless we make money. So making money is an important part of our contribution to the economy, an important part of the contribution to our investors and shareholders. But the bigger picture is, how do we make this thing more efficient? How do we sustain environmental conditions better? How do we monitor water? How do we make sure that maybe the people in places which don't have the best access to water quality today start to get better access to it? It won't start there, but it may finish there. Yeah. Making sure that people can understand how we're using energy to, yes, maybe save some money for some people along the way, but moreover, maybe we can actually reduce some greenhouse gases along the way as well. You know, things like this. I've been approached by a number of organisations to talk about and work on areas of bushfire management and early detection and management. And that happens because obviously in Australia this year we've gone through some pretty hairy times at the beginning of the year and the end of last year, with some of the worst fires that we've ever seen in this country. And I believe IoT could be part of that game. We could be part of, not the only part, but part of that game. Yeah. So success to me means solving problems, but really on a local and then a global scale, starting to really contribute to the and I know it's a lofty goal, but really starting to contribute to the environmental success and economic success, both on a micro scale, but also on a more industrial scale, whether it's agriculture or electricity production or water purity or environmental monitoring and so forth and so on.
Thank you so much, Tony. We'll leave it there. But that was brilliant. Loads of really, really rich insights. So thank you.